Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P16C0, relates to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, within Honda Accord models manufactured between 2008 and 2012. It's specifically an indicator that the automatic transmission control system has incomplete updates, suggesting that the PCM hasn't successfully finished its updating process. The PCM functions as the vehicle's central computer, regulating engine functions and responding to various sensor inputs to optimize vehicle performance. If the PCM update is interrupted, potentially due to turning off the ignition, it can lead to improper functionality and may necessitate repairs or component replacement. Each time a software update is performed, freeze data and snapshot logs of onboard information should be recorded for later reference. The Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is essential in discovering and addressing issues related to this DTC, underlining the importance of accurate diagnostic practices in troubleshooting. The error described by DTC P16C0 pertains to the inability of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to complete its updating process. The PCM's primary role is to oversee engine operation, including managing the automatic transmission functions, thus maintaining optimal vehicle performance. This module is typically located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side, often mounted against the firewall to protect it from environmental hazards. An incomplete update indicates that software necessary for the PCM to function correctly has not been fully installed. This can lead to erratic vehicle behavior, reduced efficiency, or even failure to start. Ensuring that this update is fully executed is crucial for both vehicle reliability and performance, as failure to do so may result in further complications that could necessitate more extensive repairs. The possible causes of DTC P16C0 include several factors. The primary cause is the incomplete updating of the PCM, which may occur if the vehicle's ignition is accidentally turned off or switched to accessory mode during the update process. Such interruptions can prevent essential data from being fully written, leading to this specific trouble code. Additionally, an internal malfunction within the PCM itself can also trigger this DTC, potentially requiring a replacement if diagnosed correctly. It's imperative to avoid any interruptions during the updating process to prevent triggering this DTC. Moreover, various faults in related systems, such as wiring harnesses or connectors, might indirectly contribute to the PCM's inability to complete updates. Identifying the root cause requires careful review of diagnostic data using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. For DTC P16C0, various symptoms may indicate the underlying problem with the PCM. The most noticeable symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, which serves as an alert to the driver that a malfunction has been detected. As the PCM manages transmission functions, drivers may also experience irregular transmission behavior, such as hard shifts or delayed engagement, which are clear indicators that the PCM is not communicating effectively with the transmission system. In more severe cases, the vehicle could stall unexpectedly, presenting safety risks on the road. These symptoms collectively underscore the need for prompt diagnostic and corrective measures to ensure both the vehicle's performance and the safety of its occupants. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P16C0 is to perform a complete update of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This operation should be carried out using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which facilitates the proper installation of the latest software and calibration updates for the PCM. It is crucial to ensure that this process is conducted in a suitable environment, free from interruptions, to prevent any potential issues that may arise from incomplete updating. Be attentive that the vehicle's ignition must remain in the on position during this operation. Inadvertently turning the ignition to lock or accessory mode during the update can damage the PCM and lead to further complications. After the update is initiated, it is essential to let the process fully complete, as the HDS will notify the technician once the update is successfully finished. Only after ensuring that the update procedure has been finalized properly should the next steps in diagnostics be considered. The second step involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any pending or confirmed Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, following the PCM update. This step is critical to determine whether DTC P16C0 persists or if the issue has been resolved. Confirmed DTCs are those that have been triggered and stored in the PCM, while pending codes indicate that a condition has been detected but not yet confirmed. By reviewing both categories, technicians can assess if further issues exist that require additional troubleshooting or repair actions. If DTC P16C0 remains present, this signals that the update did not resolve the issue and may indicate that the PCM itself needs replacement. Conversely, if no DTCs appear after the update, it signifies that the PCM has successfully completed its updating process and any previous malfunctions have been corrected. This meticulous evaluation of diagnostic codes is essential for ensuring a thorough resolution of vehicle issues. After completing the troubleshooting steps for DTC P16C0, it is vital to perform final repair verification to ensure that the problem has been resolved. This includes conducting a comprehensive road test to validate that the vehicle operates smoothly without any transmission issues or warning alerts. Observing the behavior of the check engine light during and after the test drive is crucial, as any reactivation could indicate that the underlying problem has not been fully addressed. Following the road test, it is essential to check the HDS again for any recurrences of DTC P16C0 or any other related trouble codes. A clean report confirms that the PCM update process was successful and the vehicle's systems are functioning correctly. This step acts as a final confirmation of the repair's effectiveness, ensuring that all aspects of the vehicle's performance meet the necessary standards for safe operation. To prevent issues like DTC P16C0 from arising in the future, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Keeping the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, up to date with the latest software is crucial, as manufacturers often issue updates to enhance performance and rectify prior functionality errors. Scheduling these updates during routine service intervals ensures that the software is current and no incomplete updates occur. Furthermore, monitoring the vehicle's electrical systems, particularly during updates, helps prevent accidental interruptions caused by electrical faults, such as battery failures or faulty ignition switches. Educating vehicle owners on the importance of maintaining a stable electrical supply during PCM updates can also contribute to reducing the risk of similar issues. By incorporating these preventive steps into regular maintenance schedules, the longevity and reliability of vehicle systems can be significantly enhanced. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P16C0 within the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012 is critical for effective vehicle maintenance. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, must have completed updates properly. Otherwise, drivers may encounter various performance-related symptoms that can affect drivability and safety. Recognizing the importance of conducting PCM updates without interruptions is vital, as even a minor mistake, like turning off the ignition during the process, can lead to significant ramifications. Following the diagnostic steps outlined, ensures a systematic approach to resolving the DTC while maintaining the integrity of the vehicle. Furthermore, adopting preventive maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of similar issues in the future, ensuring the long-term reliability of the vehicle. By equipping technicians and owners with the necessary knowledge, both can work toward achieving optimal performance and reliability in Honda vehicles. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.